Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character. It's a mini crewmate. It's going to have candy cane, hat, basically. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners. Stick around if you're a beginner. We're going to be using this Crayola brand marker and computer paper. You can use anything you want. Don't worry about it. Let's get started right off the bat. So circle. Do the circle to the best of your abilities. Think of like a crystal ball. Yeah. So the biggest difference between the mini crewmates and the regular adult crewmates is this shape. That is the biggest difference as far as I'm concerned. So when you have the regular crewmates, they have almost like a TV set looking thing, right? Like it looks like a pillow shape. Their visor, the things they look through. This guy, the mini crewmates, they're all circle, like a complete circle. So remember that. Absolutely, that's the biggest difference. Pull a line down here. Line up, out, down. We're gonna start that candy cane early. We're doing this, I know, in the wrong season, forgive me, we're in January, but I'm not gonna wait till next Christmas to do this. We're gonna do this now. I want this thing on my playlist. Curving in, basically throwing a line inward. Up here, down, and now we got that one candy cane on that side. Over here, let's start that other candy cane. He's got these candy cane-like ears. Line up, curve, in, line, down. So we're essentially copying that shape over. One thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually draw lines in each candy cane. So I'm going to try to make them thinner. Right? Make them thinner as far as the line quality goes. Hopefully your day is going good. And don't worry about where the lines are placed or even the angle. You could angle them the other way. Everything I do here, it's the impression that you want to get down. You want to get down the impression of it. It doesn't have to be a carbon copy, just to be close enough and you get the impression. And where somebody goes, oh, I can tell what that is. Curved line. Here, we're going to do the top of his head. It's going to continue, imagining your mind's eye, it continuing through that candy cane. Imagine that. And then just catch it on the far side. Curve down. That's got the longest curve in the whole drawing, by the way. So basically down his back. Line out for the foot. He's got like a marshmallow style foot. Down, in. So everything's these are angles, but they're a little bit rounded, right? Now I'm going to throw a straight line angled diagonally like so. Then I'm going to curve the line and it's going to curve into the other foot. Also, don't forget, if you like drawing your favorite characters from your imagination, just sitting there on the couch, you're with your friends, you're doodling just random junk on a napkin, and they're like, wow, you can draw that? That's crazy. You can draw a dinosaur, or you can draw Pikachu, or you can draw SpongeBob. I think SpongeBob's on here, right? I gotta check that out. Squidward, Among Us, a crewmate, like if you want to have that ability and just be able to, kind of carry that around with you forever, subscribe, like absolutely subscribe to the channel. There are lessons on everything you can think of, and I'm filling them out. So every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, each day, I'm going to put up 3 lessons, and they're all for beginners. So Monday, there's going to be 3 beginner drawings. Tuesday, 3 more. Wednesday, all the way to Friday. So at the very end of the week, there's 15 new drawing lessons, and I file them all into their playlists, right? Like I was talking about before, Pikachu's and the Pokemon playlist. All the Among Us has a playlist. I just spit up on my paper. I'm sorry. Again, I can't believe I did that. But yeah. So, ew, that's gross. Lost my train of thought. So, Yeah, there's playlists for everything. And the point is, I want to give you choice, and I want to have you really kind of choose whatever you like. So choose a franchise you like, and you'll be able to find a lesson on it. And I'm going to be filling it out. And if you don't find it on here, really look for it. If you don't find it, let me know, and I'll try to make it happen, okay? That's the short of it. Does that sound good? Because I hope it sounds good. It's totally free, okay? All this stuff is free, and I'm just going to be putting this stuff up constantly to kind of expand basically your visual library. So subscribe right now, and also press that little bell icon if that sounds good. When you press that bell icon, you know, subscribing will actually work, you know? So go from here and here. So we're not going to move it, but we're going to move in our mind's eye, find the center of that, move back, and then I'm going to mark that. And that's going to be the top of the backpack. Go down here. It's a lot easier around to where he's sitting down, maybe just a little bit higher than the rear end here. Mark that, and I'm going to connect this over here. It looks like a funky loaf of bread. Actually, it looks like a normal loaf of bread that's stuck to his back. Next thing I'm going to do, we're pretty much done with him. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to thicken the line everywhere. The reason I do that is because I think it looks more like the animation from the game. The game has extremely thick lines, and so that's what I want to do. While I'm doing this, you can chill if you're using pencil or you don't want to try this. It's all good. I've updated this channel nonstop for a while. One of the biggest things I do is I sell some of my own stuff on Etsy. As we're talking right now, it's mostly empty, sorry. So forgive me if you go over there, there's literally like 2 things up. I gotta refill stuff already sold out. But yeah, go check that out if you have time. What else is there? Wow, I just shut down. Oh yeah, if you like drawing cute stuff, so there's very specific things about him, like I said at the beginning. So the biggest difference between this crewmate and the other crewmates is that this guy has kind of a round lens, right, to the viewfinder, whatever, the viewer, through that window, and the other one doesn't. But there's other differences to make stuff look cute. There's proportion. It's not just that you scale it down. There's like head proportion, eye proportion, there's arm proportion. Those are very specific things. I make a chart of it, very simple. You can just glance at that chart and you'll understand what I'm talking about, and that's in your memory forever. Go check that out. If you're into drawing anything cute, or you want to learn anything cute, like how to draw stuff, like how to cutify stuff, go look at that right now. It is in the description somewhere. I don't know, that's the only bad part, you got to find it. I filled it up. So right here at the top right here, I'm going to fill that in because the line is so thick, it's just going to squeeze together, and I might as well just thicken that out. That is pretty much it. Like I said, go check out that free ebook, and also check out that Etsy if you have time. If you want to support the channel, the biggest thing you can do is share the video. Share it anywhere, Facebook, Tumblr, any of that stuff. Whenever you share it, I get happy, and I don't know, I get happy about it because it's just so many nice people that come from that. That's so much better than people finding it randomly, I notice. I don't know what it is. When people share it somewhere, it's better than when people randomly stumble on here. That is it. If you got to this point, say hi to me in the comments. That means I'll know that you finished it, or you at least finished the video. And that's it. I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you soon. I'll reply to every comment, by the way. See you guys.